Haror kene na kalyang kakong Angela Rangat na kathma urangli kalakan no baki don buntli ki jing bakla ha katai ke bil bat kumta la dapha kyrkieh bakan nong ain kan penduk bol sendon ya kesencar tenrai kat kum ke je thu jongka ke section 19 jong katai ke bil ka kedau ru ba ke district council kala ban suspend ya ki bol sencar snong ha kanu kanu ka snong bat shimtihi dalade ya ke bol sencar ladami kinu ki kenram Lakno ru baka district council ling ba katai ke bil ka district council kala pan kini no ya ka bor senchar hakitu gishnong ki budon umar po khandau bat kham tam hakitu ki jaka kum ka new shillong township hakani ka sing lai don lang ru ka president jong ka CSWO ka kong Agnes Kharshieng bat ru na kalyang ka NEN ka kong Darilin CM bat kiwei
yo sngo ba sarkar ka ong ba kan pen kala ka kami ki budon kam ba kan pass no ikon ka bill Kwa constant ka message ka bagi kwa ban ai ka long ba na du bas dan ni ong ba dei ban don ka jingya mer jing mot lang ba ki pai ba bale ka poi shu chini ka du ni pot menta ba bon ki jing kul mar halor ka ni ka village administration bill ka long ba na du bas dan kim long transparent ne kim long shy kim long khoi kim share wa ki public ne kim pen tip ki public chaga cha phi ka ek ta ka village administration bill ki ek ta ki kendon ti menta ru ni dawa balada ki terwaban pen kelai ta ki kendon ka hapdei ke ka ba shy ka ba khoi ka ba long transparent ba ki diben pen tip ki pai ba ki ta ki kendon ba ki mut pen kelai
Hagane singi na kalyang convener jong ka matcha prang movement uba Michael CM uladawa balada ka sarkar ka Kwah ban pen ko bor ki pai ba nong shok snong nang tai ki dor ba snong ka hap ban pen long bait da ka secret ballot ha ka por budget ki rang ba snong om da ka ba shurak ti kum balong hadu menta kat kum ka jing ong jong u ka ni ka bel ba menta ka kdo shai bai ki rang ba snong la ban shu thong bat shu jet bat kum ta ka te kom jet ki bor sen char snong ka long kum ba pen ko bor tang ya u bat pen tlat pat ya ka dor ba snong
present system of nomination of Banshurakti, what we find is that most of these Rambashnong, especially in the rural areas, they'll just give liquor to 4 or 5 people, and these 4 or 5 people will speak in the Dorbashnong, and they will get elected every time. So, why does the Rambashnong want to be the Rambashnong like for life? You know, I think we must understand that there's a lot of money. The central government is pouring thousands of crores for rural development. And all these they go from the Rambashnong, from the block to the Rambashnong. So that's why everybody wants to be the Rambashnong. And to make sure that they become a Rambashnong for many, many years, they have taken this route by not through the secret ballot, but by raising of hands or nomination.